Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to explore another part of Mbuya. You know, no strict plans, I'm just walking around. Look at the place. Those are all houses of people, okay? Yep, so let's explore. There's an elementary school right there, so maybe you could come check it out in case you're looking for a school for your kid. There's a police station right there. These are all shops. Hope you're all seeing this. Those are all, that's a salon. In case you're interested in painting your hair, you could come this side. Yep. Let's proceed, man. It's a quiet place. Look at his house, man. Look at the fence. It's tall. You can't just come from nowhere and jump into the fence, bro. It's too long, man. There's an apartment. Those are all houses. This is one of the reasons as to why I like taking walks compared to moving in the cars, because when you're in a car you don't get a chance of experiencing such small details. Now like this, you see. Look at the beauty of this place, guys. The road is empty. Oh man. Look at this. And for those of you who enjoy jogging, I think this is the right place to do that, because the roads are kind of wide compared to the main road, you know what I mean? So even the people are not many, so it's a free place. You just come here and start your jogging stuff. Yep. And enjoy your peace. Look at that bird, bro. Oh man, I just found a rainbow. That's a rainbow, guys. Now, in case you want to go to the main road, you just come this side. That's where you slope and go connect to the main road. Yep. Let's proceed, guys. Those are all apartments. Garuga Close. This is another route, a small road heading to, another residential place in there. I think you see the beauty, man. Plants all over. I'm just enjoying this beauty, man. This place is full of nature. Yup. Guys, look at that rainbow. Look at the trees, man. Look at the sky. So nice. Now, a few details I do have about this place. Like I said before, it's a residential place and people love this place because of its, quiet atmosphere. You see, the place is all quiet, so that's why most people stay on this side. In case you got your money, you just come this side, okay? Yeah, that's it. So let's proceed, guys. What's a medical center? Limon. I don't know how to pronounce it. Wow, this place is full of nature. So many trees around here, man. I really love this, man. Look. Hey guys, look what I just came across. This is Our Lady of Africa Catholic Church in Mbuya. Yep, I already love the ambience. Look, it's such a beautiful place. So this is Our Lady of Africa Catholic Church in Mbuya. It's one of the well-known Catholic churches in this area, and it's actually quite popular for its calm environment and its location on a hill, which gives it a really quiet atmosphere compared to the busy city below. Check it out, man. Look this side. I love the architecture. You know, I wasn't planning to spend a long time here, but you know, I just decided to be here and enjoy the place. Okay, I've been reflecting on some stuff, but as I speak, I'm leaving already. This is what I found. It's a nice place. Look at the sunshine. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video as I explore different parts of Uganda.